go. That's not what you come for Clear Lake for, but we'll take it right now. Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today's day one, Major League Fishing Big 5 Toyota Series out here on Clear Lake. Practice has been pretty rough. We're about 67, checking at 310. We got some wind out here today that could help, but it might also blow out my area. I'm not 100% sure. We're just gonna have to go up there, check it out, see how things go. Hoping to get 5 in the boat, guys. It was a tough practice overall. We got a little reaction bait like you guys saw. But we're just gonna go out here, check it out, see how it goes, and have fun. That's the main thing, is have some fun out here today. Big thank you to GCI Outdoor, 6 Sense Fishing, Waterland Fishing Optics, and Dual Molds for sponsoring my entire MLF event and for the content that you guys are watching right now. Without them, I wouldn't be able to do this. So check the description for links and discount codes and stuff like that for them. But we're about ready to blast off. We're boat 67. Let's get it. Let's go. You ready to rock and roll, bro? What's going on, man? You figuring them out? 67. I don't know if I'm gonna catch them today, honestly. I don't know, it's just gonna have to see. I don't know how it's gonna affect it up there. Because sometimes it was windy and it wasn't that bad over there, and other times, I don't know. So I don't know. What's up? I hope to bring a bass in at this point.
Boat number 24! Go get him, 24.
It's cold and windy today. Got the goggles on. These things are lifesavers when you're driving on the boat and it's cold. You should try it.
Boat number 67! I'll let you slide on through. 67, 66 is right behind you.
So I left this part in the video because I'm driving down the lake earlier before you see me putting this duct tape on the gunnel. My co-angler says, hey, I think your trolling motor's broken. So we eventually pull into this bay and I stop, and I can't believe what I see. My trolling motor's hitting the gunnel. There's a hole in my front deck. Literally, there's a hole in my front deck. So I put all this duct tape on the gunnel in hopes of protecting it, because the trolling motor bracket was broken and literally it wouldn't latch into place unless the post of the trolling motor ended up inside of my front deck. It was a total disaster. I had to just make do the best I could possible, but it was just broken, usable, but it was just a disaster and it totally messed with my head. Let's see, I guess. Well, this morning's been a disaster to start off. We got one in the boat. My co-angler got one. I've gotten a couple bites on a jerk bait, but they didn't stay pinned. And my trolling motor broke. On the way out, it was super rough, and my trolling motor ended up breaking. It's still functional, but it put a hole in the front deck of my boat, and then it also started banging on the side of the gunnel. So I had to put duct tape on there to hopefully protect the gunnel from the trolling motor. So it's been a mess to start off the day. There we go. There we go.
There you go. I bet they have like beds out here.
I think so too. This one feels big, dude.
Yeah, they fight hard. I mean, they do. I got the males out of the way for you so you can get the female.
Right? Just stay on, fish. It feels big. It's not that big. I don't know why. It felt like it was fighting.
They do. They pull hard.
Come on, man.
Felt like I had another bite just as the boat was turning.
Really?
I don't know, though. Just something. It's like usually they eat the line.
Yeah. Well, amazingly, for how my day started, how my day has gone, we actually caught a bass in Clear Lake in the tournament. My co-angler has 4. I have 1. And I'm getting my butt kicked by him today, that's for sure. We got plenty of time left. Well, we don't have plenty of time left, but we got time to catch some more fish, that's for sure. There we go. Yep. There we go. That's not what you come for Clear Lake for, but yeah, we'll take it right now. Well, we need 4 more fish for the boat. We need my co-angler to get 1 more for the limit, and I need 3. We got about an hour to do it. Tough assignment, but we're gonna fish hard all the way to the end. There we go. I had to go a little way in my 5 pound. I at least should have had 4. I had that one on and it was at least a 3-pounder. You could tell. And then I had that jerkbait fish that came off. And then I was probably spun out for the first half of the day because of my towing motor situation.
How about Matt Luna? Santee, a California pro. Just 3 in the bag though. Just missing number 4 and 5. But 3 to start the tournament at 6 pounds and an ounce, buddy. Shake that off. Brian Lutz.
Well guys, that's a wrap for day 1, and in one word, it sucked. I put a hole through the front deck of my boat, which you guys saw, but I'm pretty like dejected right now. I'm not gonna lie. I put a hole through my boat from the trolling motor post. I'm gonna put a piece of wood there, hoping it's gonna stay in place so it doesn't go up and down inside of my boat and hit the gunnel. It was rough today, guys. I should have just stayed close and drop shotted. That's what I should have done, and I probably could have caught 15 pounds. I'm pretty confident if I would have just done that, I probably would have caught 15 pounds. My co-angler had like literally a 5 doing just that. As soon as I like put my head down and started just fishing the drop shot in spawning pockets, I started getting bit. And the difference between a straight tail worm and a curly tail worm was pretty huge. But I think it's coming through on camera right now. I'm pretty frustrated with how the day has gone. Pretty frustrated about how this whole trip has gone, because it's just been a grind every single day. And then, you know, this happens with the trolling motor in the boat. So not the best day out on the water. Only weighed 3 fish. I think that puts me in like 68th place. There's only 75 boats, by the way. So yeah, I'm down towards the bottom. So that's frustrating as well. But day 2 is tomorrow. We're gonna go out there, try to have fun, and try to catch as big a bag as we can. So stay tuned for tomorrow. Thanks for watching. See ya.